video, I'll be showing you how to make a homemade smoothie. The ingredients will be some pineapple, some dark sweet cherry, half of a banana, some coconut water, but that's optional. If you don't have it, you can just use regular water. And for your utensils, you'll be needing a blender, or if you're like me, you're gonna be using a magic bullet. For that, you'll actually be needing a cup and a slicer. I don't even know what that's called. I forgot. And the two last things that I'm gonna be showing you will be actually optional. Well, are optional. It's a straw and a ring for when you drink. Okay. Alright, so now you're gonna take your cup, as you can see right here, and you're gonna peel your banana, like what I'm doing, and then you're going to add it into your bowl, just like that. Now you're going to add in your pineapple. I used my hands. Of course, if you are going to be using your hands too, make sure you wash them first. And yeah, so I took about 2 handfuls of pineapple and, well, I used 3 cherries, as you can see here. Next up, I'll be pouring in my coconut water. Once again, you can always just use normal water. And, well, yeah. So how I did it was it's 2 fingers, my fingers high, as you could see right there. That's how much I poured. And yeah. When you are done adding in all of your fruit and your coconut water or water, you can start plugging in your blender or bullet. So I have to do that, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done plugging that in. Now I'm just gonna be adding my slicing glitters, I don't know what it's called, onto my cup right now, and then we'll be ready to blend it in. And then your drink will be ready for you to drink. Alright, so now just start blending. As you can see right now, I am doing that, and it's actually really cool because you could just see the colors mixing together. Make sure when you're done blending, all of your fruit, there's no chunky bits inside it. So I had to check, and yeah. Alright, so now since you're done blending, open up your lid. Make sure it's not leaking, and then just, like I said, this is optional, but I'm gonna be adding on my ring and ready to drink. That is very yummy. You guys should try it, and I hope if you did try it with me, it tastes good, and I hope you like it.